Hey everyone, I'm so glad we could all get together today. I wanted to share something really exciting that I've been learning about recently. It's all about how we can use protein to help our bodies get stronger and healthier, especially as we get older. You know, as we age, our bodies naturally start to lose muscle mass. This can make us feel weaker and less energetic. But the good news is we can do something about it. By combining resistance training with the right amount of protein, we can actually build and maintain our muscle mass. So what is resistance training? It's basically any exercise that makes your muscles work against a weight or force. This can be lifting weights using resistance bands or even doing bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats. Great job, ladies. Remember, it's not just about the exercise. What you eat plays a huge role in how your muscles recover and grow. That's where protein comes in. Protein is made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of our muscles. When we exercise, our muscles get tiny tears in them. Protein helps repair those tears, making our muscles stronger and bigger. It's important to spread your protein intake throughout the day. This means having some protein with every meal and snack. For example, you can have eggs for breakfast, a chicken salad for lunch, a protein shake after your workout, and fish for dinner. But how much protein do we actually need? Great question. For most of us, aiming for about 1.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day is a good target. So if you weigh 70 kilograms, you'd aim for around 70 grams of protein a day. And when should we be eating this protein? Timing can make a big difference. Try to have some protein within 30 minutes to an hour after your workout. This is when your muscles are most receptive to nutrients. Also, having a protein-rich snack before bed can help with muscle repair overnight. Remember, it's not just about building muscle. Maintaining muscle mass is crucial for our overall health and mobility as we age. It helps us stay strong, energetic, and independent. So let's make a pact to support each other in this journey. Let's combine our workouts with the right amount of protein and see how amazing our bodies can feel. We've got this, ladies. To strong, healthy, and happy lives. By understanding the power of protein and resistance training, we can take control of our health and well-being. Let's embrace this journey together and support each other every step of the way. Here's to a stronger, healthier future. If you liked this video, please do us a favor and like, comment and share, and make sure you subscribe so that you can get more positive content like this. Have a great day and remember to take the mental shackles off your mind and learn something new.